Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crocheters Creed, and today we are going to be making a Baymax hat. And if you don't know who Baymax is, he is the fluffy character from Big Hero 6. So the materials that you will need are black and white yarn, a 6mm hook, a 5.5mm hook, your yarn needle, a stitch marker, mine's a bit big, and some scissors, and a bit of pillow stuffing. And that's all you need, so let's get started. Alright, now, like the past few videos that I have released, the pattern is in the description, and I'm just going to show you how to assemble all the parts. So for right now, it's just the eyes for right now. The eyes. I'm going to put that one there. And they're kind of in the middle of the face. And my chain here in the middle. And from well, it looks a bit weird now, but when you sew it together. So attach your eyes and either glue or sew in the nose portion. Also attach your arms. Sorry, I didn't mention that before. So this is the final product. Yeah, from this angle here, over here. I'm not sure what the next project will be, but it's a simple pattern, really easy. And I thank you for visiting my channel, and I will see you very soon.